I want to start off by saying thank you so much to For the Family Clothing for sponsoring this video. It was so nice working with their network. Samuel Williams is an absolutely amazing business owner. So I hope that after these reviews and my honest opinion, y'all go check him out. I had such a pleasure working with they got me everything so quickly and have given me creative control. So y'all be looking out for a lot more videos with me wearing this brand and in collaboration, but let's get to it. I'm super excited because, oh my goodness, I told him that I love neutrals and pink and red. And that's the first thing that I got. I ordered everything in a small because he said that there's a ton of stretch to it. So let's see. Oh, dang. It has a scrunch butt on it. Their logo is pretty tough on there. And it's raised up a little bit. The quality of this is really nice too. Oh shoot, and it has leggings too. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Cute. I love the cutout back. It has a crisscross, but it's not up here like where you would normally have it on other shirts. I find that when it has it at the top right there, I don't get as much support. So I really like that they put it down here. It'll almost hold you up like a sports bra. Oh, it's the sports bra! It does come with pads, but it looks like you can take them out if you want. I'm big on taking out my bra pads. I'm a 34 triple D. And even in this small, it looks like it'll be able to hold everything. Oh my gosh. These blue ones have a different texture all over them than the pink ones, but I'm really liking them. Same thing, so thick. Oh my gosh. It's like a crop tee. Oh, this is so cute. And the sports bra. I love this different styling. It's very spaghetti strap and thin, so you could switch it up. This is the same texture of that other set, I believe. This is a gray version of that same sports bra. Super cute. Leggings, again, super thick. I love this gray color too. Oh, and the long sleeve top. Oh my gosh, I love this. I really like the t-shirt one, but sometimes, girl, I'm even sweating. I feel like I'm just dipping into a whole basket of treasures. This is so soft. This is butter smooth. Again, this is a small. It looks like it'll be a tee, but it won't be too long. And it still has a little bit of shape to it, so you could tell that it'll be flattering. Oh, so one thing I told him is that I love black. So I'm geeked. He was able to send me a black set because I have a very small petite body, but my chest is a little larger, so we'll see how the stretch fits on each one. Then I have the black shorts. Oh, these are even more fire, black and white. And again, this quality is so thick and nice. Oh, I got the leggings and the sports bra in this one too. So this is going to be the legging in the black and the sports bra. Cool. And I got some more of the tees. So this is going to be the black tee. And this is going, it looks like a mauve. It's almost the color of my lips. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so this doesn't have that same texture, but you could see that it has the cross in the front. super cute. And then these aren't gonna have that scrunch butt. It looks like there's still a little bit of a seam there to give you some flattering shape, but it's definitely not as drastic. So this would be really good for the girlies that don't necessarily like that dramatic scrunch booty but want some definition. Oh my gosh, it's a zip up jacket. It looks like it shapes you too. That is so gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Like thick, quality, soft. This is gonna be a super versatile top. You're gonna be able to wear this not only when you're working out, but for when you wanna go out as well. It just looks like it can be dressed up or down. I'm really enjoying this. Oh, and it came with a legging too. Okay, so as you can see here again, in those other leggings, we had that really dramatic scrunch butt, but in these, you see that it's just that baby soft material and that seam there to give you a little bit of shape. It also has pockets here. I did not see any pockets in the other leggings, so that's super cool that they switched it up for this. So everything just kind of came out at once with this pink, but my goodness, look at this. This is such a pretty pink. And again, they have that really nice branding logo. It's enough just so you know what it is. We have the shorts, and what I didn't realize in the other shorts was that these have pockets too. I didn't notice them on the first pair of shorts from the collection that looks like this. I feel like the kind of mauve-y shirt would go perfect with this set matched up. Because again, these tops and these sports bras can be dressed up or down. How can you not love them? And again, the leggings, again, it's gonna have that one seam here, and then you're gonna get the pockets and that crisscross in the front, so you get that wonderful little contour. Oh my goodness. It's a baby blue one. What? So cute. And it looks like I got the sports bra too. I know that I'm gonna be able to dress this up and dress this down in so many ways. This blue is gorgeous. The shorts in the blue, again, you're gonna get that crisscross front, the pockets, and that nice little seam in the back. You don't have the seam in the front though, so you don't have to worry about any camel toe action, you know what I'm saying? And this jacket, I can just tell that it's gonna hit my body just right. And with me being a tall girl, finding these little, not cropped jackets, but something that will fall just right on me with me having such a long torso, I feel as though these are gonna be my perfect match. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this just won my soul over. What are you talking about? He gave me one in black. Okay, I think you took it in enough. Don't give me Wow, the material, so soft. It's very thick. The shorts, everything I imagined. The logo looks so good against the black. I know that I was saying it looked good against the other clothing as well, but just look at that. The leggings, this crisscross front, I feel as though it's so flattering, especially for somebody that's had kids and sometimes my little mom pouch be showing. It's so nice. Oh my goodness. And that seam with the logo, just gorgeous. And the sports bra, staple item. It's so thick too. I enjoy that the pads come out. I'll let you guys know how the compression is on it. I know some people don't like super hard compression, so I'll make sure that I'm honest with y'all about that. And now we're on to our last bag. Oh, okay, so it's a onesie. Super cute. I like that on the back it's separated a little bit. You could see that they put some seams here to kind of snatch you in the back. And then there's also one right here where I believe is to just kind of give you some definition on that booty. But it's super thick and very soft. I wouldn't always say this about a onesie, so this is important. I would wear this to work out. This would be thick enough for me to do so. Now I have to try it on to see if it's long enough, but we'll get to that. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is a full bodysuit. It has for the family here in some different script. It also has the back cut out and has a little scrunch booty on it, as well as bell bottoms. I am a little bit nervous, being somebody that is 5'9" and 160 pounds. Sometimes it's hard for me to find onesies that are long enough. So in our try on, make sure that y'all are looking out for this one, because I'll give you my honest opinion on how it works for a tall girl. And it looks like there is also a bra holder in. Even without a bra or the pads, you still have this right here to kind of give you some support. So I'm so excited to try this one on. Oh, and here's a onesie. This is gonna be their brown. This is not like the mauve one. You can definitely tell the difference. This is gonna be a chocolate brown. I love the hardware that they use on it as well. It's not cheap whatsoever. It's metal. All of the zippers function perfectly. I know that's so annoying whenever you get something and then the zippers aren't working, but you could tell that they do quality control on their stuff. And again, you have the seam here to kind of snatch you together, and then you have one on the booty as well to give you some definition without giving you the whole scrunch booty action. Oh, this is dangerous. This is dangerous. I will wear this and get this dirty just so you guys can see if it washes or not. I absolutely would love to be the type of person that can wear white all the time, but let me tell you something, I got 2 toddlers. So we're gonna put this baby to the test. I love the structure of this. You can tell just by holding it up. Oh, you're gonna have body in it. Goodness, and this is what a dark gray would be. Oh my goodness. The whole structure of this is beautiful. This is what it's gonna look like in that gray color. You have some pink here. Oh, this is another one of the long onesies. I'm so excited for this. This, for the family different script, I'm feeling that. Either way, I really like this t-shirt style up here. It does have the built-in bra again. I believe that you are able to take the pads out. And it has the scrunch booty on the back as well. This is gonna be like more of an intense scrunch booty. You can see it better here than on the black one. And this has the bell bottoms as well. And this is our last item. It's a red one. Oh my goodness, I love this red, this fiery color. It's absolutely gorgeous. All of these have been so buttery smooth too. I think that's something that a lot of people don't give enough attention to, is how is it gonna feel on your body? And with this material, I can tell that I'm gonna be comfortable for the whole day. But this is definitely a fire red. In person, it's just so vibrant. It's almost neon. But that's it for our unboxing. Again, thank you so much to For the Family for sponsoring this video and sending me all these amazing items. I'll be trying on all of those clothes in our next video, so make sure that you check that one out. Thank you so much for being part of the Swolivia family. Make sure that you like, follow, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.